Today I will show you how to connect your machine outside of Linux. So in order to do that, you first of all need to configure one extra IP to him. So you need to go to the file, go to a host network manager, and here you need to create one network manager for him. So you just need to hit this create button. Okay, hit it. After that, it will open like this. So in my system, it's showing 3. In your system, maybe it will show 2 or other number. So I already created few, that's why it's showing like this. And you should be sure it's checked here. Okay. You can edit it as well. So right now the IP address is this. You can see DHCP address is this one. Okay. Server address is 192.168. You can see. So in this way, there are other I have like see. Okay. So you can see one thing, whatever the IPv4 address, the same thing should be here. Okay, with 1. See, I am having 192.168.49.101, so you should have 192.168.49.1. So if it is 3, so just copy that. Okay, just copy that, this one, come here and paste it back. Okay, okay. So this way it's by default it's generating few sample for you, but you can update it here. Just copy here, go to DSCP server, just paste it here. Here also the same detail you need to provide. Okay, you can compare it with this one. So just come here on your whatever the newly created there, just give some IP address. Let me give 101. Just come here. Okay, just copy this one, come here, paste this one, and make it 1. Okay, and after that just come here. Okay, paste it and make it 100. Okay, and come here, paste it and make it 254. Okay, so this way. Okay, so the thing has been done, just you need to hit apply. So see, I had applied the setting. You can see all place it's 158, all places 158 except the subnet mask, right? So server address should be always this one. Okay, and IP could be anything, any number you can put. So it's done. What you have to do next, select your Ubuntu machine and hit on the settings. After that, you have to assign this IP to him. If you want to use outside of that, if you don't want to use your Ubuntu from window, is this step is completely not required now. You can use like if and only if you want to use outside of window machine. Okay, outside of Linux machine. Otherwise, if you are very happy with your Linux, you can use from outside even. Go to the networks, click on the adapter 2. Here you just need to select host only adapter and select the newly created adapter, which is adapter 3 in my case. Click on the advanced, click allow all, hit refresh 2 3 times, hit OK. That's it, done. Start your virtual machine. You can see my virtual machine is starting. Let's wait for that. And now you will see some IP address got changed when I will hit ifconfig this moment of time. So right now I'm here. Let me try to log in back. Okay. Now let me open the terminal and let me hit ifconfig. Now you can see there are two Ethernet interface, right? First is 0s3, which was the default one, 10.2.3, and this one we just set. See, 192, 168, 158 or 100. Okay, so if you want, you can go and set this like any host name you can give. So what I am going to do, just vi/etc hosts, and before going there, you can use any editor, gedit. You can write gedit. I like vedit, any editor you can use. Just copy this whatever IP it's there in your system, don't worry about that. Hit enter. Okay, so 1 second, you should not do that actually, because you are not logged in as root. So escape colon q. So what you will do, first try to switch as a root first before running this command. I am here as a root. Okay, I am here as a root. So what I will do, because without root you can't edit that file. Okay, so I'm going here, press I button because I am using v editor. Okay, 1 second, Let me use vim editor, it's better compared to this one. So you can see vim editor is not here. Let me install it. So sudo apt install vim. Okay, hit y. Vim editor is far more better compared to vi editor, so let's use that. You can use multiple editors, I will show you about those editors. So these are my editor is what? Just the way you use Notepad, right? Notepad plus plus. So same way these are the editors of Linux like VI, VIM, gedit. These are like brothers of Notepad, Notepad plus plus like that. Nothing is something very special. So now open. See, hit I button. You can see insert is coming. Now what you need to do? Just paste this IP address over here, whatever the IP you copied. So this was the IP, and you can give any website name or host name. So let me give example.com for this. You need to press escape button, then colon WQ and this one. Hit enter. Now clear it. Now type not ifconfig. Now you need to ping your example.com. Okay. See, it's pinging the example.com means it's if you write this one means what is the meaning of this? If you write 192, 168, 158 or 100 or you can write example.com both meaning same. Okay, so now in order to do that in window you need to download one software is called putty. So I will show you how to download putty in the next class, and till now the configuration has been done. I will show you how to connect this. So you just need to remember this IP address in order to connect. So meet you in the next class.